Since around about 2010, Sidemount has exploded enormously, and now it's being used by divers in all different environments, from open water recreational divers through to technical divers. And probably the majority of Cape divers these days are diving in side mount configuration rather than back mount, so it's been a complete change.
XTC Dive Center, XTC Tech Diving, and Yucatan Dive Tech work closely with Go Sidemount to offer official training on the Razor Sidemount harness, using the very demanding high standards set by Go Sidemount training programs. We train, support, and guide Sidemount divers of all levels, in every kind of environment.
It's a lovely way of diving. You're absolutely free. It's so much more stable and comfortable. And for cave diving, I think it's fantastic because you have a lot more redundancy. Everything is accessible. You can see things, you can fix things. You have a lot more flexibility as to how you move through the water.
We can take divers at any skill level, from recreational to the most advanced technical divers, and help them learn or transition to Sidemount so they can take advantage of this versatile configuration.